Hello kids, now we completed our ninth block. So let us write the PQs for the ninth block. The practice questions from page number 66. Now see the first one, write true or false. So what are the questions options here? Mono bakes cake. So whatever are they, just read the questions. If the given one is there from the lesson, so Mono bakes cakes, if it is true, really, if Mono is baking the cakes in the lesson, you want to write true. If he is not doing that thing, you want to write false. So read B and C options. If whatever that is there in that sentence is there in the lesson, then we can say it is true. If the sentence whatever is given is not there in the lesson, we call it is false. Now let us go to the second one. Why did Rolly and Rana go to Mono? So do you know the reason why Rolly and Rana rabbits went to Mono? What is Mono doing? So basing on that you can write your own sentence. Now coming to the third question. Were Rolly and Rana happy at the end of the story? Why? So are they really happy? Do you know why, the reason? What made them to be happy? So basing on that you want to complete your third one. Circle the words with the same beginning sound as blessed. Blah, blessed. So what sound is there in the beginning of blessed? So you circle them from the words given in the box. Now coming to the fifth question. Write two words that begin with the same sound as the word play. So what does the play word start with? So basing on that play sound, play. Observe the word play and the sound, and basing on that sound you want to write two words. Now sixth one is making words. So this we did from many blocks. So you want to take the letters given in the first one and using them you want to make some words, and you want to circle from that. If you had written some words starting with PL, that is plus sound, you want to circle those words. And using all those letters given in the A bit, you want to make a big word, 8 letters word. So because you got 8 letters, you want to make a 8 letters word. Now coming to the seventh one. Rolly and Rana like carrot cake. What cake do you like? So here they had given that Rolly and Rana like the carrot cake. What cake do you like? So basing on that, you want to write one sentence and you want to draw and write about it. So draw the cake and write few sentences about your cake which you like. Okay, thank you.